Okay, this is Brent Uliski demonstrating the Express soldering iron. It's a propane iron. You can see the tanks back there. We're just going to solder a simple folded joint. This is a lock joint here. Two pieces folded together and flattened down with a dead blow hammer. Then it's buffed with a wire wheel prior to fluxing. Dipping, this is the flux, which is ruby fluid. And then this is a combination of flux and water to dip the tip in to tin it. Ruby fluid, flux. Which you dip? Which one's you dip? Here's a dip. For cleaning the soldering tip. 50-50 tin lead solder. Constant heat. The tip does not cool down, it stays hot. No exposed flame to cause a fire.